Hello guys, and welcome to part 2 of our first website, first creation of the website using Joomla content management system. So today I am going to show you how to install the extensions, or to install extensions, but we are going to focus on the template and also how you can use the properties of the template to create something like the menus, and also making the changes of your website for making sure that your website it looks good. So we're going to focus on a look and feel of your website. So let us get started. Remember, last time we have managed to install our first website in Joomla, so we are going to take it from there. If you look at this at the moment, this is what we are having. You can see that the template is not that nice, so we are going to change this template and then we are going to put a new template. To do that, you need to navigate to your control panel, and then what you need to do is to go to the administration site, and then you can go on and to typing, that's the name of your website, and then you just put the backward slash and then you put the administrator, and then now you can be able to log in. Remember, when we created the websites, there are credentials that were required. Those are the same credentials that we are going to use in here. So last time we said it's going to be Joomla as our username, and then the password that you have set in there. So once you provide the credentials, you are going to land onto the home dashboard of your website. When you land in here, then you are going to see on the left side here, you have your menu in here. And then upon this one, that is where you are going now to be able to install your extensions. But for today, we are going to focus on how you can install a template to make sure that your website looks good. So you are going to go on and to clicking the systems. When you click the systems, let's just disable this. It's very annoying. So once you click the systems, your system, you are going to see in here you are having template, a site template and site template style. We are going to talk about this, but at the moment let's change the template first. So you go to the extensions. When you go to the extensions, you will see here there is a drag and drop file here to upload, or you can just browse. You can install it from the folder or from the URL. So I've already downloaded one of the template that I want us to use. Is called Mambo Free. It's for Joomla version number 4. You can get this for free on the internet. You can just go there and just type for the Joomla template for free, Mambo Free or whatsoever. So once you have downloaded it, you are going to get the zip folder. Once you have downloaded it, now you can come back to your website and browse for it. Once you browse for it, I'm going to take it from desktop. It's called Mambo Free. Then say open. When you say open, now it starts to install. You can see now the installation of the plugin was successful. It means now we have that template of yours. Navigate back to system. And when you navigate back to system, you are going to see, as I said, there is a site template, there is a site template styles. So in here, if you click the site template styles, you will see this one is the default one. Let's click this. This one is the default one, this template that we are having in here. So now we just install this one. If you click this, now you are setting it to be default. Now this template, it's the default template, and when you refresh now your site, you're going to see some changes. Now we have some nice changes. Now this is good, guys. You can see here you're having your menu, of which at the moment we are only having the home menu. You can see here you have the name. This is the name of the website, but the name of the template, I'm sorry, but I'm going to show you it's where now you can evenly put your logo. Now we have a search bar of which is working, and it's fine. If we say home onto it, you will see now that it's going to take you to, like, okay, at the moment, because we don't have the pages, it will just say no results, but we are going to create the pages. But at the moment, you can see that the search bar is working and everything. So let me take you through how then this whole theme works, because this is where you are going to do everything in your website. At first, look at this. This is the contact sites. You have your icons in there, the search and the name of the site or the website. Here you can choose to put what we call, you can choose to put an icon, or you can choose to put a logo for your website. So if we go back to our dashboard, now in order to make changes to your website, you just click the name of your template. Then you're going to see a template options. Under the template options, when you click it, now you can see you have basics. You see now, with the basics, it tells you now that you can put your logo, or you can put a text. At the moment, it's set to the text. That's why it's Mambo. It's this Mambo in here. So if now you want to change it to put an image, you just come here and then you can search for an image that you want to put in there. At the moment, I don't have an image in here, so let's just leave the text in there. Text, we can just say first Joomla site. So if we say first Joomla site and then we just save it, you will see in here that it's going to change. Now we have first Joomla site. Nice, huh? So if we continue with checking what we have on the basics, we are going to skip the toolbar. We are going to check the header. At the header, as I said, now you have your you have your section for the contacts, your icons and everything. So here's what is happening. Look at this. Those ones are your Facebook or the social media icons. Let's say social media icons. So with your Facebook, as long as this is empty and there is no URL, then it means on your website Facebook is going to be excluded. You see, now it's excluded. But if we go back and we put a URL for it. Now, with a URL, Facebook, it's going to come back. You see, now you have your Facebook. So you check here which ones that you are having or ones that you want to implement for your website. You pull them here, then you're going to have them listed in here. So this is a very nice way of putting your social media and everything. Then I'm going to close this. Okay, I'm going to close it. And we are going to check the contact information. Contact information is this section. This is where you can change it. You can see the 234 the Trump Street and all those stuff, Los Angeles. Those are those ones. Then you can change it. You can change them here if you want to change them. Say you change this to Henneth. Now you will see this one is going to change to Henneth, and then we just save it. Now you see here you have your Henneth. So this is how you're going to deal with your template and all those stuff. This is just the basics. You can go through them all. Again, there's one interesting thing in here. It's called the presents. The presents. So the presents, it deals with your styling, how you style your website. For instance, if we go to present one, you see it shows everything that you are having. If you check, we have the first one, top bar background color. The top bar, this one, background color, header background color, this one. You see it's black. In here it's black as well. So here, if you know the RGB values, you can just go on and to putting the RGB values, or you can just choose from here. If I choose this now to change from black and say apply, you're going to see now, you see there are changes. So this is how you're going to style everything, making sure that your website look nice. The look and feel of your website, it looks so nice. Now you see you have some blue nice things and all those stuff. And again, if you check, there is what we call a layout. This is how your website is going to look with the layout. It's to say, for an example, check this one. The bottom we have 1 2 3. This one is now, it's you're going to have your footer, of which is this one, and then there's the bottom. It's the second footer, whereby maybe you have stuffs like here you want to put more links, maybe services, programs, and all those stuff. So that's how you are going to style it. You can have 3, you can add another one to have 4. I'm going to show you later as we go on with our tutorials how you can put 4 of them. So also you can see here you are going to have your components. You're going to have your left and the right, your left bar and the right bar, but it's up to you. You can get rid of this if you want your website to be a full website. We are going to look at that as well. So this is where you can check everything, look at everything. So at the moment, let's just close it. Here again, you are having your menu. As I said, at the moment we only have one menu, of which it's called home. So now you can be able to add your menus. If you want more menus, you can be able to add more menus. You see now, let's say we call this about us, about us. So you see, it's called about us. Hence, at the moment, I want to show you something or say something. Menus, when you create menus, especially this one because it's the main menu, it goes with a certain page. You can create a menu that it's not going anywhere, but usually when you create a menu, it's because you want it to go to a certain page. So we are going to come to creating the pages. At the moment, let us look at this. It says the menu item type. You can be able to select in here. For this one, we are going to take a menu that is not going anywhere. I will show you for the menus that goes to certain pages, but at the moment, let's take a menu that is not going anywhere. So you're going to say we want the system menu, and then under system menu you take the URL because we don't want it to go anywhere. Here you can put okay, if you want it to maybe go to Google, you can put Google in here, but if you want it to remain on the same site but do not go anywhere, you just put the hashtag and then you just save it. And once you create it, we are going to see that now it's implemented on the other side of the website. Now we have about us, but it's not going to do anything because at the moment it's not going anywhere. We're going to create pages. You are going to see how all the pages work and all those stuff. I just wanted to show you how the menu works and all those stuff. So let's move on, guys. Here you have your topography and all those stuff. You can look at this later. We are going to check this later. Do not worry about this. It's just that now I wanted to focus too much onto showing you how now you can install your theme and how you can style it to look beautiful, making sure that you have a look and feel of your website. And here you can put the custom code if you have a custom code. I'm also going to show you something about the custom code. It's very important. Later on, you will worry about the securities of your website. You can put the content security policies in here and all those stuff. Don't worry about this. We're going to talk about it, guys, later on. So yes, for today, this is what I wanted to show you guys, how you can now install your theme and how you can go around and to styling your theme and all those stuff. Remember to subscribe and also to like my video, guys. I'm going to see you on my next tutorial. On the next tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create menus and also how to create pages. Thank you guys for watching.